If they say I ain't the baddest, then the motherfuckers lie.
What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as y'all seen by the title, I'm going to be reviewing this bomb kinky curly hair that was sent to me over by Caitlin here on Amazon. I'm in freaking love. Like, I am in freaking love with this hair, y'all. It took me a minute to actually like it as I was wearing it, because when I first put it on my head, I was like, I don't think I'm gonna like this, but it grew on me and I actually love it. She's giving me like throwback 80s vibes, but yeah, I'm just really feeling it, y'all. So this is a kinky curly wig, like I mentioned, and it is in 22 inches. They say that that's the stretch length, which I believe, because it's pretty long and it's a nice length now. Since it's kinky curly, once you pull it, it does go like pretty long. So yeah, they was not lying about that. My hair came in this bag and in a net with some plastic, and then this is the box that the wig came in. Real cute and plain. It's just a white box with a pink sticker on it, and then it just tells you on the side what kind of wig you get. 100% Brazilian human hair, and it's kinky curly. And then they did include 2 wig caps in here, which was really nice, and they are the natural nude color, which I like, y'all. I really appreciate Caitlin here on Amazon for reaching out to me to send me this wig. I'm just gonna be showing y'all some hairstyles y'all can do with this wig, because y'all, this wig is so versatile. Like, I really love the versatility in this wig. It's so many ways you can wear it, and hello, it's glueless. Like, she's 100% glueless, y'all. There's no lace on this wig, so there's no glue on the wig. It has the clips in it with the adjustable strap in the back, and then yeah, no lace. So you really could just throw this wig on. And yeah, so I'm just gonna be showing y'all how I installed the wig, which was super simple, and I'm just gonna be giving y'all some hairstyles y'all can do with this wig. And yes, I'm really loving it. Like, after I beat my face and freaking accessorize the hair, if you're not subscribed, I'm gonna need you to hit that subscribe button, because we lit over here, period. So please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below, hit the like button down below, and feel free to drop a comment at any time in the video. Make sure y'all follow my social medias. They will be always in my description box if they're not on the screen. Took some pictures with this hair, and I had a little look going. So yeah, make sure y'all go check out those pictures right here on my Instagram. And yeah, we about to just get into the video. All right, y'all, so I'm just showing y'all what came in the box once again. This is how the wig looked on straight out of the box. The curls were very much so defined and very tight, and I was just stretching the hair out. And I'm basically just going to be going in just to show y'all my initial install and what I did to the hair. When I get into the actual hairstyles, the hair will be like on the more drier side, but I just wanted to include this in to show y'all that y'all can define these curls and wear it wet if you wanted to. I'm going on my Tangle teaser, y'all. I had to show y'all this. I found this at freaking TJ Maxx for $6, and I had bought one off of Amazon for $20. So definitely check out your local TJ Maxx. That is a bomb detangling comb for natural hair. Brush, I'm sorry, a bomb detangling brush for natural hair. Now I'm going in with my my curling stuff by, I believe that's Auntie Jackie's, and I'm just running that through the hair. I'm literally treating this wig like my own natural hair for now, and then I just got to playing with it to see like what styles I would do, because y'all could see in my face that I wasn't like, I just didn't know what to do with this wig. Like, I wasn't too wild. But after I beat my face and did everything, y'all see it all come together. So we finna get into the actual styles right now. All right, y'all, so this is style number 1. I just, of course, kept the bangs how they were. That is how the hair looks when it gets dry, a little bit bigger. But yeah, it's just a simple ponytail, y'all. That's it, with a scrunchie. Now I'm going in to wet the hair a little bit more, because that bang is kind of thick, I'm not gonna lie, but I kind of kept it that way. I just decided to keep it how it was. I also forgot to mention, you guys, that this hair, for it to be 150% density, is very thick. Like, it's very thick, and I actually kind of like that. Like, you get a lot of hair on here, I guess because it's kinky curly. But yeah, I just wanted to mention that this hair is really thick. It doesn't feel like it's 150% density at all. But yeah, now the second hairstyle is just the same exact thing, just with some little, I don't know what you call them things. I just pulled some hair out on the side. That's what you call it. But yeah, so this is the second hairstyle. I was just, you know, having fun with this video, in all honesty. And I just went to put some water on those little pieces just to tame them just a little bit. And now I'm doing a little lip gloss spray. Next hairstyle is just a plain bun, y'all. Just a plain bun. These hairstyles are like so easy and quick. It's crazy. So for the next one, I'm just putting my hair back into a bun, and I'm just pulling some pieces of hair out. So it's just like the last one, but with pulling some hair out. A few hairstyles y'all gonna see are like that I did. It's just like the basic hairstyle, and then the same exact hairstyle with some hair pulled out on the sides. I don't know what it is about that hair on the sides, but it just really adds to the hairstyle. The next hairstyle is going to be two buns. Well, not even two buns yet, just two pigtails or ponytails. And I'm just using my scrunchies, which I think are really cute, and just accessorize your hairstyle. And I'm kind of just fluffing them out a little bit. Make sure y'all go check out my Instagram where I took pictures with these hairstyles. It was a whole look. It really was a whole look. But yeah, this is the fifth hairstyle. For the sixth hairstyle, I'm going to be doing the exact same hairstyle and just pulling some hair out on the sides. And the seventh hairstyle is going to be the same ideas, but just with buns. So I'm just doing two buns instead of the ponytails. And this is hairstyle number 7. And I'm pretty sure for 8, y'all, I'm just going to pull some hair out on the sides. Hairstyle number 9 is just going to be the hair as it is with the headband. Real simple, but I feel like the headband really adds something to this hairstyle. For hairstyle number 10, I'm just going to go ahead and put my hair in a ponytail with another scrunchie while leaving that headband in. I kind of like the two-tone pink look that I had going on. So yeah, this is hairstyle number 10. For the next hairstyle, I'm going to be just doing a bun while leaving that scrunchie and leaving the headband in. Hairstyle number 12 might just be my favorite one, y'all. This is a half up, half down hairstyle with the bangs, of course. And I'm just going to be taking some hair from each side, and I'm just going to be putting my scrunchie in and then breaking that hair into 2. I think this is just super cute and super girly, y'all. Truthfully, this whole entire wig was just giving me 70s/80s vibes, and I freaking loved it. Just the curly bang with the big curly hair. I was just all freaking here for it. So yeah. Hairstyle number 13 is going to be the same exact thing, but a bun and you can keep the bun plain, or you can go ahead and pop in a scrunchie or any other hair accessory that you would like. Of course, I went in with a scrunchie. I kind of just acted like that pink one wasn't even there. Did my bun and then put the scrunchie on top just for the sake of the video. But I probably would have just did just a plain bun and one scrunchie. For this hairstyle, I'm just going to be going in with this headband that was actually sent to me by another hair company. I'll have it in the description box in case you guys are interested. The only thing that's really special about this headband is that it is great for the masks with the whole corona thing going around. That is what the buttons are there for, so I really appreciate the hair company for sending me over this headband. This ain't really the video that I really want to promote this headband for, but yeah, I'm gonna still have it in the description box if you're interested. It came in a pack of 6. But yeah, this hairstyle is just super cute, kind of plain Jane, but the headband just adds a lot. Like, I feel like you can pop any headband on with this hairstyle and just make the whole hairstyle just different, you know what I mean? So yeah. Alright, so for hairstyle number 15, I'm just pulling my hair out, of course. I'm going on my scrunchie just to do a really super like messy bun in the back. Y'all gonna see where I'm going with this. I kind of just was not caring about the bun. And then I'm just gonna be going in with my hair wrap scarf. Shout out to this girl I went to high school with. Her name is Jada. I still have this this hair wrap that she bought me from high school, and I freaking love it. Like, and I love her. Thank you, Jada. If you come across this video, girl, yes, I still have the scarf. I remember one day she came to school and was just like, here's a little hair wrap scarf, because we used to wear hair wraps. But anyways, I'm getting off a topic. I just y'all kind of just could see how I just wrapped that scarf. And then for the 16th hairstyle, I just took that bun out in the back and just let the hair be almost like I'm wearing a headband, but it's really just a big scarf. And yeah, I just wrapped it any type of way, kind of. That's just really cute and just effortless, and this hair looks so natural. Like, this could pass for my actual hair. That's what I really like about it, with it being kinky curly. So for this, I also decided to put just a basic ponytail in my hair, keeping that same hair wrap in. I probably wouldn't have had the blue scrunchie with the mustard wrap, but y'all get the whole idea. For this next one, I was too lazy to get a bobby pin, but it's basically just another variation of some type of bun or updo, if you want to call it. The hair was just in a ponytail. I literally just twisted it effortlessly, and then you could just pin it at the top of your head. And then for the 18th hairstyle and the final hairstyle, this is another head wrap one where I'm just wrapping the scarf different. Y'all, I literally like created this like on the spot, literally. I kind of just went with it. You can do these so many different ways when it comes to these turbans or these hair wraps. It's kind of crazy. So yep, this one comes down a little bit lower. It got a little tie thing going on the side. So yeah, y'all, those were all of my hairstyles. I hope y'all really enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and then let me know down below which hairstyle was your favorite. I will see y'all in my next video.
Show me some love,